Good morning, everyone. My name is Rishabh from branch CSE AIML. I'm going to talk about the topic from the typewriter to Chatgpt, how tools have shaped each generation. Introduction. Tool transforms how individual interacts, work, and learn. Each innovation creates new job categories and skills, influencing generational culture. Technology adoption drives economic and social change. The typewriter revolution. Earlier patents 1714 Henry Mill 1829 Bird's typographer set the stage for practical device. Soles and Gilden typewriter 1868 to 1874 became the first commercial success with QWERTY layout. Remington Model 2 1878 first shift key and double keyword innovation provided speed, efficiency, and legibility for offices, journalism, and literature, helped create a culture of professional office work. Social impact on typewriter. Open white collar jobs to women from 12% in 1880 to 75% by 1900 among typists. Advanced workplace equality and professional identity for women, leading to millions employed as typists. Changed family structure. Working women had lower fertility rates and often delayed marriage. Inspired depictions in media. Typist as icons of ambition and modernity. Fostered secretarial job growth and office girl stereotype. Typewriters in social change and resistance. Carbon paper invented to support typing, 1808 in Turin. Under strike versus French strike mechanism. The shift for improved usability. Visible writing instruments like Doherty visible typewriter in 1891. Mechanical and electric typewriters for efficiency, leading to digital word processing. Typewriter was pivotal in visible accessibilities, early machine for blind users. First and second generation computers. First gen, room-sized vacuum tube models for large-scale scientific and military work. It ranged from 1940s to 50s, gave rise to the tech industries, influencing modern data processing and automation. Used vacuum tubes for circulatory and magnetic drums for memory. Very large in size, often filling entire rooms and consumed a lot of electricity. Generated a significant amount of heat and were prone to the frequency breakdown. Examples for first-gen computers are ENIAC, UNIVAC 1, IMB 650, second gen, transistor-based, faster, smaller, more reliable, used in banking, manufacturing, and research. Adopted patch, processing system, and punched cards as input devices. Were still expensive but more affordable and practical for business and research institutions. Consumed less power and generated less heat compared to the first generation. Used magnetic core memory for shortage, improving speed and reliability. Examples of second-gen computers are IMB 1401, IMB 7090, etc. Third and fourth generation computers. Third gen. Integrated circuits, mainframes, and mini computers. Game changer for businesses, education. Used integrated circuits, ICs, instead of individual transistors, making computers much smaller, faster, and more reliable. Operated with less power and generated less heat compared to earlier generation. Introduced the use of monitors and keyboards for input and output, replacing punch cards. Examples for third-gen computers are IMB 360, IMB 370, PDP-11, UNIV. Fourth-generation computers, 1971 to present, utilized microprocessor which placed thousands of integrated circuits on a single silicon chip, led to a development of personal computers (PCs), making computing widely accessible to individual and small businesses. extremely compact and portable, unlike previous generation. Laptops, desktops, and mobile devices were introduced. Example system: IMB PC, Apple Magnetos, modern laptops and smartwatches and smartphones, etc. Digital communication tool evolution: email, instant message, social network, and collaborative platform. Improved global connectivity for personal, business, and social issue. Change the speed and the style of communication. New etiquettes and norms. Early electronic communication, 1800 to 90s. Telegraph and telephone enabled long distance real time communication for first time. Radio and television revolutionized mass media connecting large audience via broadcast signal. Computer age and email, 1970s to 1990s. Email was invented allowing rapid message exchange globally, and earlier intent were built to support government, military, and academic communication. Personal computers became household staples, bringing the message and the basic chats program to the everyday users. Internet and web communication, 1990s to 2000s. The World Wide Web emergence transformed static document sharing into dynamic global interaction. Search engines like Google, forums, earlier instant messengers, ICQ, AOL, and the chat rooms redefined digital connectivity. Social media and instant messaging, 2000s to present. Major platforms like Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram, Snapchat, Telegram, Discord, and Teams expanded communication from simple messages to multimedia sharing, live updates, and community driven content. Mobile internet and smartphones enable communications with apps offering calls, text, video conferring, sharing, and more. Impact of digital tools on education: accessible, flexible learning, remote classrooms, LMS and MOOCs, personalized learning via adaptive platforms, and analytics, more engagement and collaboration, but also new challenges like distraction and inequality. Social media and messaging apps blur traditional teacher-student boundaries and improves feedback resource sharing, enhance learning for disabled or remote population. Rise of portable devices and global connectivity. Laptops, smartphone, tablets, real-time work-life integration. Mobile apps for productivity, entertainment, socializing, and essential for Gen Z. Enabled flexible workplaces, digital knobs, and new career models. Rapid information exchange accelerate decision making across fields. Artificial intelligence and automation boom. AI system for translation, coding, analysis, voice assistant, and smart search engine. Streamlining customer service, health diagnostics, financial analysis. Opens access to expertise but raises debate on privacy and creativity and fairness. Today, AI powered automation runs through manufacturing, healthcare, finance, logistics, customer care, and more. Increases productivity, reduces error, and enable predictable maintenance and efficient supply chain. Social impact and challenges that was affected by the AI boom. Productivity and growth. Businesses report productivity gain of 20 to 40% major cost saving and reduced human error after implementing AI automation. Job shift. Routine and repetitive jobs are being automated, causing shifts in employment from manual labor to creative roles. Global economic change. AI and automation are seen as key drivers for future economic growth, innovation, and competitive advantage, reversing productivity stagnation in mature economics. ChatGPT and generative AI era. ChatGPT used for writing coding, creative tasks, revolutionizing learning and work. Helps automate routine tasks, support user creativity, acts as a virtual assistant. AI narrows skill gap. Less skilled workers improve productivity by 35 to 66% with ChatGPT. Available 24 by 7 hours, enabling global team and support anytime. Conclusion and generational transformation. Each tool redefines social norms, job markets, and everyday life, shaping generation. From empowering women to revolutionizing global teamwork and creative output, the future promises ongoing transformation with emerging technologies in AI, quantum computing, and human machine collaboration. Learning from the past helps adapt to the new ways of the change and possibility. Thank you.